Check out this crazy but funny video of the two most annoying drunk women ever getting arrested. And if you like all types of true crime, then please subscribe for more.
Turn off the vehicle and step out.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any guns, knives, drugs, bombs, anything crazy in the car? Okay, ma'am, I'm talking to her, not you. Step over here.
Yes, sir.
How much you had to drink today?
I had a drink at overseas.
A
and
drink?
We were coming, well, two.
Ma'am.
Two drinks.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me explain something. There's somebody who's been behind you. Stay in the car.
That's
Shut the door right now and stay in the car. A car got behind you. They've been behind you the entire time. You've been reported as all over the road. I then pull into here. You pull out of Tom Thumb without even paying attention to oncoming traffic. Then you pull into here, make a wide right-hand turn. You're driving in the, you're driving in the grass.
Right.
I light you up all the way at the top of the street. Then you continue to drive down the street.
You know, I know that doesn't mean...
Stay in the car. Shut the door now. Just stay right here.
Okay.
Ma'am, if I have to tell you to stop doing it again, you know what? Step out. Step out. Step out. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
What am I doing?
Stop. Stay right there. Don't move. You're throwing shit out of the car.
I did not.
Okay, where'd that come from?
I'm so sorry. It's not that.
Ma'am,
It's really not.
have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. Put your legs in the car. No, you're not sorry. No, you're not sorry.
No,
Put your legs in the car. Put your legs in the car.
Okay.
You're this close to me taking you to jail. Just shut your mouth and let me do my job. Put your leg in the car.
Please.
Ma'am, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Here's my question for you. You're operating a vehicle.
Right.
It's very clear to me that you have had way too much to drink today. You're slurring your speech. I can smell it on you. Your driving pattern.
Whatever you need me to do,
Are you willing to do field sobriety exercises?
Yes,
Okay, stay right there. You see this blue light right here?
Yes, sir.
I want you to follow this with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Wherever this blue light goes, your eyes are going to follow. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, not your head. Keep your head straight, just your eyes and your eyes only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
That's
What?
not my problem.
That's my problem right now.
I just
Okay.
all I can hear is her. And it's
Don't worry about her. You're worried about me because right now,
Yes, sir.
right now the criminal investigation is on you. Okay.
All right.
She's already got her own issues.
All right.
Okay.
I'm extremely claustrophobic, please.
I stopped the car. I'm trying to talk to this young lady. We bring her back here. We're talking. We're having a conversation. This one's throwing evidence out of the car. I've told her like 3 or 4 times to stop. Finally, I just detained her. I'm at the point to where I...
Destruction of evidence?
Yep, destruction of evidence and obstruction, so...
Perfect.
That tequila bottle was something... She started dumping out a bunch of booze and stuff out of the car.
Okay.
Okay.
So she is my neighbor.
Ma'am, okay, we're not worried about her right now. I'm worried about you.
Yes, sir.
Okay? What I want you to do is I want you to put your left foot on that line. Are you going to do it barefoot? Or...
Please! I'm severely claustrophobic, please.
Can you stop screaming?
No, I'm claustrophobic, I can't.
Listen, you're not getting out of the car.
Why the tire? At least open the door, please.
You're going to jail.
I promise. For what?
I think he already told you.
I'm not doing anything. I just need the door open, please.
At all times, keep your arms down at your side and count out loud. Do not stop once you've begun, okay? Okay, listen, like this. We're not standing like Karate Kid. We're standing like this, okay?
Right, yes.
All right?
Yes, sir.
Hey, she's convulsing. Get out of the car. Come on, let's go. You want to get out of the car? Let's go. Get out of the car. I'm going to pull you out of the car. All right, you want to go ahead and play these convulsing games? Let's go. You're not convulsing anymore. You're good? Cool. All right. So either you sit back in the car or you get out and I call meds.
I mean, I haven't...
Okay. Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, ma'am.
You're under arrest for driving under the influence. Do you understand?
Right. Well, you have to have a blood test.
I don't have to have anything. I have enough probable cause to arrest you right now.
Well, I understand.
Food out so you could sit
But
back.
you want to help me? Here, go ahead. Go ahead. Grab it.
Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Step out.
Smash my face.
I didn't do anything. Alright, now have a seat back in. Now have a seat. Good. Now scoot your butt back and swing your feet in. Scoot back.
What am I doing wrong?
Scoot back.
What am I doing wrong?
I don't know, lady. I'm not the one that put you in the handcuffs. Sit back inside. Sit back inside the car. Please, I don't want to have to use any forms. I don't want to put my hands
on me.
What's your question? What did you do wrong? What did you do wrong? From the get-go, from the moment you were stopped, you're not listening to what I'm telling you to do. You open the... Well, shut up. Shut up. You want me to shut... Get in the car.
Tell me shut up.
Shut up.
Go ahead.
I just did.
Put your hands.
Get in the car.
Put your hands.
In the car. Just have a seat.
in the car.
Go
Jesus
ahead.
Christ.
Giving you a lawful order. This inside.
Go ahead. Why? Why?
Hey, what? Let me ask you. What else would your friend have been throwing out of the car other than the booze?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Your license should be in the center console, correct?
Yeah, my license should be in the center console.
What color is your purse?
I don't have a purse because I'm like a dude.
All right. You know what? Do me a favor.
Yeah, sure.
For my safety, step back off.
Woo! Jesus Christ.
Z-A-B-E-T-H.
Yes, I'm on my period, so I just got a tampon.
Did she throw something out the window besides the bottle? Because there's like shake everywhere.
Yeah, she
That
threw.
don't have nothing to do with.
What did she have in the car? Like, I want you to be honest with me. What I'm asking you.
But I don't know.
What I'm at.
I don't know. I don't know about that.
What drugs does she have in the car with her?
I don't know, sir.
You're with your friend. You know your friend. You know what drugs in this car. They belong to her, not you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, walk back here.
This is, I guess, her.
Yeah, it's her. Just leave it on the front of the car. All right, you're gonna have a seat in the car with your friend.
Yes, sir.
You might want to have a conversation with her unless you want to get charged with everything.
We didn't do anything, man.
Okay.
She was dropping me up here and we were gonna stay here because we knew.
Get your feet in, okay?
Della, what the fuck, dude? None of this is our fault, okay? No. So listen, don't hit your head. Lisa will come get us, okay? Well, let's not be rude. Let's not be mean.
Okay. Okay.
Let's hold it together. We didn't do nothing wrong, okay?
There's drugs somewhere.
Yeah, I'm looking. There we go. Yo.
What is it? Yep. That's it.
Under the seat.
Under the seat? Okay, so this is what the passenger was throwing out the car. Bottle of tequila.
I'm claustrophobic.
Well, it is what it is.
Can you at least turn the AC on?
It is on.
It's not.
Yeah, it is. Alright,
Yeah.
I'm gonna read you something.
Sorry, I'm not bad.
Okay. You have the rights to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to
Well, I
the...
do.
Hold on. Do you understand your rights?
No.
You don't understand your rights?
No, I understand that.
Okay.
This is bullshit.
Okay, do you want to answer questions now without a lawyer present? No? Do you want to answer questions about the drugs that were found under your seat?
What drugs?
Okay, alright. That's fine with me.
That's not my car.
That's not your car? Okay, now it's not your car, okay?
It's not. That towel is not my car. That's hers. What? What truck?
Go ahead. So why are you throwing out of the car then?
Papa, oh, okay. No, that thing fell out.
Oh, okay. Alright.
The alcohol.
Just the alcohol, right?
No, the liquid. Yeah.
Okay.
Piece of shit. Goddamn. Get me out of this.
It's cocaine, isn't it? It's either that or heroin.
There's some brown stuff on there too.
What drugs?
Baby doll, I promise you there's no drugs in the car.
I swear to you, there's no drugs on my side. I'm claustrophobic as please.
What is it?
I don't know.
Then there's not a quantifiable amount, is there?
No. But,
It was found under her seat?
yeah.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
I need to get a breath test on this girl.
Alright, go for it, dude. I'll go ahead and take you in the car.
Finish up. If you find anything, let me know.
Can you please just pull this off my arm?
Pull what off your arm?
No, please.
4120. 2 females in custody so far.
Are you serious?
Relax.
No, I can't. I didn't do anything. Please. I cannot. Please.
What's your issue?
Please.
What's your issue?
Off. Please take it off and
I'm
put
not
it
taking
on.
the handcuffs
I don't
off.
care. Take it off. Put it back on.
Which one?
Oh my God! You're literally.
Ma'am.
Let me suffer then.
Ma'am, there's nothing wrong with your handcuffs. They're not
No,
tight.
it really is.
Okay. Well, you're under arrest for destruction of evidence and obstruction.
What did I do?
you understand?
Evidence where?
Right.
I dropped it out of the.
No. You were throwing stuff out of the car.
I did not.
Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna argue with you.
Can you please?
You don't listen. That's what you did.
No.
Apparently, you're the only one who doesn't remember. How many times did I tell you to stop opening the door and stop trying to get out and stop throwing stuff out of the car? How many times? Okay.
You have the camera.
I do.
Go ahead, play it.
Why am I gonna play it?
Because I did not throw anything out of the door.
Okay. Now you didn't throw
myself.
anything out. Okay. I have to go do a breath test.
Can you do it?
Would you mind or no? Because the longer this goes, the worse it's going to get. No, she's all of a sudden an asshole because she doesn't know how to follow simple instructions. The one that could have been going home but doesn't like to listen. Elizabeth, step out.
Yes, sir.
That's Sergeant Boussier. He's going to take you and take care of the breath test, okay?
Yes, sir.
Once this is done, the quicker we get this done, we get you down there, get it taken care of. You see the judge in the morning, you'll be out in the morning.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
And you've been cool so far, right?
Can you like move my hair?
You need to calm down.
Can you move my hair? I'm fine.
Can I move your hair? You realize how stupid this is, right? Okay. What's wrong with your hair? It's in your face? I'm not worried about you being mean to me. It's about following instructions.
I know, I'm trying. I'm just
Okay.
scared. It's in my mouth.
It's in your mouth.
Thank you.
Did you eat something?
No.
Okay.
There's nothing in my system you could drug test.
I'm not about to drug test. I'm asking because I don't want you to die in the back of my car. That's why I'm asking. Okay. Okay, you will see a judge first thing in the morning.
So my kids get to see a failed
Your kids
mother.
what? Who's with your babies right now? Their dad. Is their dad a good dad? Okay.
But I'm a good mom.
Okay. I never said you weren't. You guys are just like, yeah, you made a dumb mistake today. Radicky.
Radicky doesn't give a about me. Can you wipe my snot?
Oh my god. It's like taking care of a baby.